Today, I am going to show you a trick with which you can hide a sheet in Microsoft Excel and no one would even come to know that you have a hidden sheet in your file, unless this trick is already known to them. So stay tuned. Hi, I am your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. Excel has two levels of hidden sheets, hidden and very hidden sheets. The difference between the two is simply that very hidden sheets do not appear in the Unhide dialog box. If the workbook contains both hidden and very hidden sheets, when a user opens the Unhide dialog box, the very hidden sheet does not appear there. To ensure that hidden sheets stay hidden, sheets visibility should be modified in Visual Basic Editor using a setting called Very Hidden. Although this is to be done in Visual Basic Editor, you can do this even if you have zero knowledge of VBA macro programming. First, we need to right-click the Sheet tab and choose View Code in the pop-up menu or launch VBA Editor with keyboard shortcut Alt F11. Then we need to select the worksheet we want to hide in Visual Basic Editor. Let us select Sheet 3 and press F4 to display sheet properties. The visible property drop-down list has three options. The first one is visible, second is hidden, and third one is very hidden option. We just need to select this and our sheet is very hidden now. In case we need to make this visible, we will have to select the first option back. But for our demonstration purpose, let us keep this as very hidden. That's it. Let us close this VBA editor and return to our Excel file. Now when we right click on the Sheets tab, we can see that the Unhide option is unavailable. This is because the very hidden sheets can't be unhidden in a regular manner. Let us hide one sheet from here. And now when we right click, we can see the Unhide option. And when we click Unhide, we can only see the sheet that we have hidden in a regular manner. So just by looking at the file, no one can even guess that you have a hidden sheet in it. You can use this kind of sheets to store your passwords or referencing formulas, which you want to keep hidden from other users. If we still want to double sure that even anyone who knows this trick should not be able to unhide the very hidden sheet, then in that case, we need to password protect our workbook structure. Once we do this and then go to VBA editor to make our very hidden worksheet visible, Excel will not make this sheet visible and give us this kind of error. So that's all in this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.